Hello guys, welcome to First Step Future India. This video is a continuation of chapter 2 of structure and physiography. Last class we saw in detail about division of India on geological basis, right? So that is three division, Peninsula block, Himalayan and Peninsula mountains, Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. So this is what we saw in last class, and this class is all about physical division of India based on physiography. So this physiography is of six type of divisions. The first one is, as I have told you in last class, northern and northeastern mountains, and second one is northern plains, third one is peninsular plateau, fourth one is Indian desert, fifth one is coastal plain, and sixth one is island. So this video is going to be very long, so I cut this video also into two. So for this chapter 2 we'll be having 3 videos. Okay, so for basic idea I'm going to explain you with this map. After that we'll continue with the book content. Kindly take your atlas be with you when you study with this chapter, and whenever you see a place or range or plateau or whatever the physical division is, just check on with the map. It will help you a lot. Okay, so here this is east coast and this is west coast, and this red part is Western Ghat and this part is Eastern Ghat, and this in total it is Deccan. So here it is Northern Deccan, this is Southern Deccan, and this is Eastern Deccan. Okay, then this is Western Plain and this is Northern Plain, and this is Central Highland. Okay, so this is a desert, Great Indian Desert, Rajasthan, and as I have told you about plain, this is Western Plain, Northern Plain, and this green color is Eastern Plain, and this is range. Okay, Northeastern Range, and this is Western Himalaya and this is Eastern Himalayas. So this is the basic idea. So this physiographic division is a outcome or based on structure, process and stage of development. So when you see India, in north you can see rugged topography, varied peaks, beautiful valleys and deep gorges. Whereas in south you can see stable land with highly dissected plateaus, denuded rocks and developed series of scarps. In between there is a North Indian plain. Since it is named as a North Indian plain, it doesn't mean it is present in extreme north. No, in plain this is the north part. So we named it as North Indian plain, as I have told you in the map before. Okay, so each and everything you have to go through with the map side by side. It will help you to keep memorizing the places, and when map question comes or the geography based question comes, based on this knowledge you can neglect the unwanted choices, so you can come up with the right choice, right? So keep your atlas with you even now while watching the video also. Okay, so there are 6 types of division, as I have told you in the starting of the video. I am not repeating it. The first division is north and northeastern mountains. So this north and northeastern mountain is further subdivided into 5. So we will see that in subsequent time. So this north and northeastern mountains are present in Himalayas and northeastern mountain hills. Okay, so this composed of greater Himalayan ranges. So what are greater Himalayan ranges? It is a combination of Great Himalayas and Shivaliks. So this both together forms greater Himalayan ranges. So the approximate length of this place is 2500 kilometer and width is 160 to 400 kilometer. This is called as Central Axial Range, and the extension of these Himalayan mountains are Sikkim region, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Himalayas in Darjeeling. So when you see the map, these are the extensions. So if you mark these places, you will understand where is what, and these are the extensions. So like if there is a question mixing up other places with these, you can find the right choices by neglecting the unwanted choices. Okay. So Himalayas, it's a long wall between Indian subcontinent and Central and East Asian countries. It not only acts as a physical barrier, it also acts as a drainage system as well as the cultural divide between the people. So what are the subdivisions? How this Himalayas, North and Northeastern Himalayas are subdivided? It is subdivided into 5. The first one is Kashmir and Northwestern Himalayas, and the second one is Himachal and Uttarakhand Himalayas. Third one is Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas. Fourth one is Arunachal Himalayas, and fifth one is Eastern Hills and Mountains. The first one we're going to see about is Kashmir and Northeastern Himalayas. So this have important ranges such as Karakoram, Ladakh, Zanskar, Pir Panjal. Okay, so these Kashmir and Northwestern Himalayas have cold desert, which is the northeastern part of Himalayas, lies between Karakoram and Greater Himalayas. So the cold desert is nothing but Ladakh, you know. So the world famous Kashmir Valley, Dal Lake, is also present in this part, which lies between Pir Panjal range and Greater Himalayas. So when you go through the map, you can exactly point out where these are. Okay, so the important glaciers such as Baltoro and Siachen are present in this space, and here the Kareva formation is very high. What is Kareva? Kareva is nothing but thick deposit of glacial clay. Okay, so this clay helps highly in the cultivation of local variety of saffron, is called saffron. So the important passes here are, so this will be helping you in match the following in some cases. So Zojila is in Great Himalayas, Banihal, Pir Panjal, Fotula, Zanskar, Kardungla, Ladakh range. So these are the important passes, and these are the places where it is located. And the freshwater lake here is Dal and Ulkar. So they are freshwater lake, and saltwater lake is Pangong So and So Moriri. Okay, so the major drainage river here is River Indus. So their tributaries present here are Jhelum and Chenab. So the tributary of Indus is Jhelum and Chenab. And tourist spot, the major tourist spot, the pilgrimage is Vaishnadevi Temple, Amarnath Cave, Charar-e-Sharif, and there are more places also. So these are the very important tourist spots. And the evolution of fluvial landform, this is very important. Fluvial landform is high in this Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmir and Northwestern Himalayas. So keep this in mind. And here you can see another physical structure very highly here, which is meanders. So in Srinagar, which is the capital city of Jammu and Kashmir, at the bank of Jhelum, this young state forms meanders. We can see dunes, which is a longitudinal valley also you can see here. Example, Jammu Dune and Pathankot Dune. So in this southern part of Kashmir and northwestern Himalayas, you can see the dunes. And the second subdivision is Himachal and Uttarakhand Himalayas. So the west from this place, the western side, you can see Ravi river, and eastern side you can see a Kali river. So it is a tributary of, this Kali river is a tributary of Gagara. Okay, so the two main drainage river here are Indus and Ganga. So tributary of Ganga is Yamuna and Gagara, whereas the tributary of Indus is Ravi, Beas and Sutlej. Okay, so the western part we have Ravi, and the eastern part we have Kali. So I hope you understand this. So in the Himachal Himalayas, we have Ladakh, which is present in the northernmost part. Okay, So this extension of Ladakh we can see in this part, and this place is placed between Spiti subdivision of Lahul and Spiti district. So between Lahul and Spiti we can see the extension of Ladakh here, right? So there are three important ranges in Himalayas. So those three important ranges are Great Himalayan Range, Lesser Himalayas, Shivalik Range. So this Lesser Himalayas consists of Dao Ladakh, which is present in Himachal Pradesh, and Nagtiba, which is present in UK. UK is nothing but Uttarakhand, okay, not United Kingdom, it is Uttarakhand, okay. And important hill stations in this places are Dharmashala, Mussoorie, Shimla, Kasomi. Cantonment towns such as Almora and Kasauli, Lansdowne, Ranikhet. So these are also a British attractions, because most of the British officials and their administrations are that administrative setups are present in these places only. Okay, so here we can see a large number of Shivalik and dune formation. Okay, so important dunes here are Dehradun, which is the largest dune among everything, and Chandigarh, Kalka dune, Nalagarh dune, Harik dune, and Kota dune. Okay, so among this Dehradun is very important, which is largest among everything. Okay, and habitants here, which means a tribe or indigenous people over here is Bhotia. So they are nomadic groups, and in summer they used to go here, Bugyals, and in after summer winter they come back to this place. Okay, and this place consists of valley of an important pilgrimage are Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Hemakund Sahib, and five pragyas. Five pragyas in the sense the five rivers that comes together here in this place. So river confluence can be seen here. Okay, and the third subdivision is Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas. Here the western, it is the western like from west of Nepal Himalayas you can see the Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas, and east you can see the Bhutan Himalayas. And the important, very important, and recently in current affairs this place have come very highly repeatedly again and again. So this Tista river, it is the important fast flowing river in this Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayan region. High mountain peaks and deep valleys also present in this place. For example, Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga is an highest peak in India, and the another name for this Kanchenjunga is Kanchengiri. Okay, and inhabitants, tribal group here is Lepcha. So apart from the tribal groups, there are mixture of people also present in this region. They are Nepalis, Bengalis, and Central Indian tribes. British have large amount of tea plantations here. They set up tea plantations here, and in related to history, this is very important place. Okay, national movements and all, it happened highly here. You can see those in the history videos, and here the tea plantations are set due to this vegetation only: moderate slope, thick soil cover, high organic content, and well distributed rainfall. Due to this natural condition only, the tea plantation is very high over here. Okay, and Dar formation is important in Shivaliks. So this Dar formation is nothing but a landform formation. You can Google it and see the image for exact understanding. Okay, and in this place, in this region, you can see various type of orchids. Okay, and the fourth type is Arunachal Himalayas. Here it is east to Bhutan and to Dipu Pass. So from Bhutan to Dipu Pass, it is here. Okay, and important mountain peaks here are Kangtu and Namcha Barwa. Fast flowing rivers present in this region is Brahmaputra, Kameng, Subanshri, Diang, Dibang and Lohit. And these rivers majorly dissects the ranges and form deep gorges. And because of these fast flowing rivers and this many varieties of rivers, this place is very important for hydroelectric power potential in the country. So the major hydroelectric hub here is Arunachal Himalayas, and the ethnic tribal community present in this region are Monpa, Abor, Mishmi, Nishi and Nahas. Okay, and they practice mainly Juming. It is a shifting or burning cultivation. So this is all about Arunachal Himalayas. The last one is Eastern Hills and Mountains. This Eastern Hills and Mountains names are come from the local tribes present here. Okay, named after their community. Patkaibam, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, Mizo, Lushai Hills. So these three are present in north and these two are present in south. So these are major important hills present over here. Okay, and the tribal community follows here Jum cultivation. Okay, and as I have told you what is Jum is, right? Then the ranges separates by river. Again, the important river here is Barak. It is present in both Manipur and Mizoram. And Loktak is the uniqueness for Manipur. It is present in Manipur. And the molasses basis is present in Mizoram, which is a soft unconsolidated deposits are present here. Okay, so this molasses basin have soft unconsolidated deposits here. Okay, so the other rivers such as Meghna, Chindwin also present here, and its tributary is Barak river, and this Chindwin is present in Manipur, which is the tributary of Irrawaddy of Myanmar. So in Myanmar we have Irrawaddy, so that tributary also follows here, and this Barak river is present in both Mizoram and Manipur. The second division, physiographic division of India is Northern Plains. So this Northern Plains is mainly formed by alluvial deposit. The major river plays vital role for the formation of these plains are Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and from east to west the distance is 3200 km and the width of this plain is 150 to 300 km. Okay, so from north to south, this northern plains are divided into three major zones: Babar, Tarai, alluvial plains. So what is Babar? Babar is a narrow belt which is parallel to Shivalik foothills. Okay, and the streams and rivers from these mountains deposits high and heavy materials here such as rock and boulders. And what is Tarai? Tarai is a south of Babar, which is located in south of Babar. It is a Tarai belt. Okay, and it creates a marshy and swampy conditions and this marshy and swampy conditions is named after this Tarai. So Tarai is nothing but marshy and swampy conditions. So it is named as a Tarai because of this. Okay, and luxurious growth of natural vegetations we can see here. So that results in the varied wildlife also. And in southern part we can see old and new alluvial deposit. Okay, that old and new alluvial deposit is Bangar and Khadar. So that is a third subdivision. Let us see. So here in this Bangar and Khadar of northern plains, we can see fluvial, erosional and depositional landforms. So the fluvial deposits we can see here, that is eroded from the Himalayan part to this region through rivers. Okay, and we can see other physical structures also called sandbars, meanders, oxbow lake and braided channels. So we can see these like landforms here, and the major Brahmaputra plains here forms the riverine islands and sandbars. So the riverine islands and sandbars are formed here due to the Brahmaputra river, okay, which is subjected to periodic floods and shifting river. So these periodic floods and shifting river results in the braided channels. So this Brahmaputra plain and which means Bagar and Kadar, everything is very much subjected to periodic floods and shifting river, okay. And the major crops here can be grown as wheat, rice, sugarcane and jute. So these are very important crops as well as the cash crop also. So you get a large population over here because of these settlements, okay. The important delta that present in this region is Sundarban Delta, and the water divide in Haryana and Delhi region is Indus and Ganga. So these are the ranges that forms the water divides, and Dhubri is from Bangladesh to Brahmaputra. So this Dhubri is a 90-degree turn. It is a water body that takes 90-degree turn before it reaches Bangladesh, okay. So it is a tributary of Brahmaputra. So I will stop this video from here. The third part will be continued, okay. So if you like this video, kindly like the video, subscribe it, share it and study well. Thank you.